6 digits income for 2 weeks? Yes, it's possible. Hi, my name is Shine, an OFW nurse here in Saudi. So, I'm doing dropshipping business as my part-time. And as you can see, andito ako ngayon sa aking office because I have a full-time job. So, maraming nakikurious and nagtatanong, Miss Shine, pwede po ba sa akin ang dropshipping business? Yes, perfect po to siya for everyone. Whether you're an employee, OFW, stay-at-home parent, dropshipping is really for you. So now, it's Tuesday, July 16, 2024, 7:27 a.m. And ilalogin ko lang po ang aking account para makita natin ang total net income ko for 2 weeks. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo. And ang aking total net income is 119,610 pesos. Sobrang nakaka-bless talaga, and I will never get tired of sharing my products and business because it might be an answered prayer for others. Be healthy, everyone.